shift your energy, call your energy back. You have been experiencing a lot of trials and tribulations and turmoil. It's been very overwhelming from what I can sense, from what I can see. And you may have felt like you couldn't see a way out of this actual situation. The Spirit is saying that you can overcome what you are actually experiencing. You know, the universe is going to make way for you to move forward through this actual cycle. It may not feel like it now, but I feel that some of you are actually moving through this cycle. For others of you, you feel like these burdens are way too much. And during this time of feeling like that, Spirit wants you to call your energy back. Spirit wants you to call your energy back from the people, places, and things that have triggered you, from the people and places and things that have made you feel unbalanced. Spirit doesn't want you to feel like you are stuck. Spirit wants you to start thinking of ways you can overcome this cycle that you're going through. There is a way out. I feel like you have felt like you were on the wrong end of karma. Okay, you felt like you were getting all this bad luck. You weren't receiving your blessings. You were shocked. You were confused because you know that you are a person that is a giver. You're a person that always cares for others, looks after other people. You always have people's back, and you weren't getting the same love back in return. And it made you feel as if the universe was punishing you. The reason why these situations may have occurred, and the reason why it may have felt that way, is because you were not pouring into yourself as much as you were pouring into others. So again, call your energy back. The same love that you have given to others, you need to give it to yourself. The reason why you may have been met with rejection when you were giving love to others, and for some of you, unfortunately, they weren't very appreciative of this love, that was Spirit trying to let you know that you need to pay a little bit more attention on to yourself. But some of you didn't get the assignment, unfortunately. Listen, we've all been there. I've been there. So that's why I'm sending you this message, because I know what it feels like. And sometimes we can get trapped in that loop of, okay, let me give more love. Let me give more love. And then you're still met with rejection. You're still met with, you know, blockages. That's Spirit's way of saying that same love you're giving to this person or these people, or that same focus that you're giving to this person or these people, you need to focus on yourself and give yourself that love. And only then, when you start pouring into yourself, you'll start seeing major shifts occur in your life. You may have felt like you're being left out in the cold, but Spirit wanted you to rebalance yourself and focus. You know, really focus on your connections. There may have been people that were actually triggering you, and, you know, they really got off on it because they could sense that their actions were having a huge effect, and it gave them a sense of power. Take your power back. If these individuals feel bad enough to want to play in your energy, don't react. That's how these individuals get power, by your reactions. Take away their power by not reacting. Shift your focus. Go on to a new timeline. Focus on what you need to do, because I'm sure there's a lot of things that you need to be doing. Focus on your projects. Focus on your goals. Focus on how you're going to better yourself, your mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. Shift your focus. These people are not important. They have no relevance in your life. You are the only one that should have control over your life. Do not give your power away to anyone or anything. You are dynamic. You are a co-creator of your reality. You can shift your mentality to a better state. If you fixate on the things and the people that have upset you, you give them full control. You will be stuck and stagnant in a place where they want you to be. You will sleep on your goals, you will sleep on your dreams. It's time to wake up. Call your energy back. You are a powerhouse. You are dynamic. You are a force to be reckoned with. You need to wake up. You need to remember who you are. You need to remove yourself from people, places, or things that do trigger you. Even if you cannot physically remove yourself from these people or this place or this thing that triggers you, go within. Connect to yourself. Nothing is more powerful than someone that has full control over their mental state, their own spiritual state. Connect with spirit. Because when you go within, that's when you do connect with spirit, your higher self. These individuals, they're not connected to themselves. That's why they project outwardly onto you and others to seek validation, to gain control. Gives them a little buzz for a few seconds and they're back feeling depleted and insecure. They want to swap energies with you. Maintain control. Stay grounded, stay focused, stay poised, stay graceful, stay humble. And move in silence.